I look at vibes. And even people them up on the scrap thing. I'll move the scrap car there. And when I cut up and make the thing look good, you know, my peeps. Get it ready for put in a container. And when them put in a container now, check. Let me turn over that. That's it. Turn over that. Hey, yeah.
Yeah, I see it already.
Yeah, man.
The jeep.
That's right, yeah. Yeah. I'm good at like.
Come down for a little vacation.
They are a little while still. Yeah, they are good little while still. No,
From the last time you still there?
Yeah.
What kind of business you do?
Me, I'm a builder really. Builder, yeah. Builder, carpenter, tile, fit kitchen, everything really, building. Good vibes, man. Okay, then we'll come out. I'll sit in the car down there. Yeah. Big boy, them. So they want to come like tank. Box that. Yeah, man.
The video, both two sides one time.
Yeah.
When you're playing it, you see yourself in the video.
You know that style, you got me? Yeah, great. I like how you know, you see, you know in front of the camera, but you're in the picture.
Yeah.
You see how I'm going? Yeah, so everybody.
When you play, you see it different.
That's right. Different from
like
normal.
Like you standing there, and somebody watching, and somebody recording everything.
That's right. So you can hear your voice talk,
like
you know.
Movie.
Yeah, that's right. So you hear your voice talk, you know, like from your region right now. When you watch it back now, then you can see where I talk, but see the picture, that's a picture what it's videoing. Isn't it?
App for that or the phone that design?
No, that's the phone design like that. I thought it have 3 cameras on it. So it's one of the cameras there. I work the side there, you know?
The next two behind it.
Yeah, the
So
video.
like, while it's taking down, what one phone?
Eh?
The one, the phone.
Samsung.
Oh, Samsung.
Samsung X6 or something like that, yeah.
The 6.
Yeah, but then SX6, yeah, new version, yeah. But you want to see, I have a camera about 9 months, you know, and it's about 4 days ago I realized you can do that.
Okay. Oh, you didn't know that yet?
All the time I've been videoing, I never know that I've just been videoing normal, straight normal. And then one time I start playing with the phone, and then I start video. When I video, I look and see the picture there, I say, blood clean. You got me? Yeah.
So like the program was there already?
Yeah. Program was there already, but I never go in that program. I just use it as a normal video and take pictures normal. So all the different functions, I never check them out and see what they can do. You get me? Yeah, I'm gonna start check it out properly and start realize you can do other things as well, but this is the nicest one. Yeah. Yeah, man, because normally when you
video alone, I already go for money there. Because that ain't video, that's a movie.
you see it.
Video is thing you're seeing. And you know it.
Yeah, that's right.
You have to say that, you know if that take you proper and everything.
Same time now, right?
Yeah.
I can video them and they don't even know that I'm videoing them. I'm just go so. Until we find them, you understand? Yeah. So, my good things there, yeah. Now, I'm putting him up now, watch him. I cut it up now, family. See what I got. I just measure them once, so I take off all rubbers. Cut out the sheet now. That's no rambling in my fucking thing. We take out the material there. Watch out there, and got here on a ramp for the machine. I bear money this, you know, you look for, you know, this money them chop that up in a small pieces and put it in a container. Watch out. So I lift up the thing. Pull that down. You're not the control, I tell you people. Make we don't pick up the ride, is it? So just stop off this in a peeps. It's excitement are going. Ramp with the dumper junk, you know, where am I using a tool, where am I using it? Not with that sound. Take that out of that. Right. Oh, I'm gonna wrap up now, so I move with the cutter them now, you know, my family. These are the tree there. More car up there. Oh, you never see that. More car, I'm going to go fair enough peeps. Good day. That's it. Chain on that. Action in the family. Action, everyone. Action. Really scrap the that. Action, from when I'm walking, I have things and I look at my van. Run from your soon peeps. And when him start pulling the ramp, pulling like 2 cars, mind have to roll out back to the steer off. Woi. Action peeps, action. I tell you, you know that chain will post off the gas like this. Lucia, man. Mind your face, you know. China pizza. That's it. Hey, this guy. Say, I don't know what's going on, but I wobble, we go wobble. You need to go in that great part there. What's there? Where there? Gun for inside. Where my man there? My man alright? Am I alright round there? Yes, I get it out. I get it out from it. Come move out the way. Alright now, am I mad with the machine? Back, you know, I know how far I go with this one now. When if I put in a gap this. Scrap metal, you know. Big money business. What's the dog here, family? What's the dog here? Whoa, British bulldog, you know. Real metal, you know, peeps. The man is fine, you know. It's like once upon a time it was all gold, covered in gold. Watch the bulldog here, my peeps. Good there. Real bulldog. You see what going, peeps? Yeah, find that in there, so golden find that. Good find that. Yeah?
Yeah, get in this
Them man, them type of scrap, they good man polish up that blood beat there every start, nice him up, get all a nice thinner spray now, you spray that, and spray that back gold without no problem. You see what I'm going? Yeah, just wash that, dust that up, clean him up, rub him down. Real British bulldog, you know, peeps. Look at him. He heavy, you know, in the light in the way about what? When I say about what? Ounce and a half, 2 ounces, at least 2 ounces. Yeah, that must work something. Straight. Man have one of them dogs there, man, and pay a good money for that. That clean up proper and shine up. Spray that with the right spray. Alright, everyone move that. Let me see when they move that. Mr. Piece of Pete. I'm going again. So step the Oakland Beach, you know, so I walk in there. Linger too long, but you know, one more car around there. And I go feet in them peeps. That's where I go. That's where I go. One in there, look at it. Let's zoom in for the one there. Yeah. Virgin in there already. I clean up and find somewhere to hook him up with a big fat chain. And I carry something with him, I pull something. Stuck on him. Stuck on him. Come on. Come on. The boss deal with that. No. Like a broke down tree in a bed. Look at it. Alright, back. Start work for now when they're ready. Got no one. And again, you know, we must have faith for it. My man start clean up that one there already fixed. You see me? Inside there, clean up. Take out all dirt. And get ready for the welder for the start. Cut. Broke up. Eh? Aaron, right sir? Yeah, there's my phone. Yeah, put in phone. I'll put in my phone. Bring my never case for leave. Remember, we have to go leave, we have to go pick up. Remember, while come out on the ride and go now. Yeah, she. Because we have to pick up the ride before it gets dark still. Because we don't want to drive in the dark time at night.
What level do you want to find anything, alright?
Well, that's it, like that's what she wants, though, yes?
I still have a half an hour.
About half hour?
Well, let's go.
Let's
go. We will call you and take all it. And you tell us go now, we will pick up and pick up some of our ride.
Alright then, so let's go and leave it then.
Yeah, man.